Hello guys, welcome to my first tutorial video, and today I will be teaching you how to do a free rollover combo, which looks like this. And here is the slow-mo. This trick is pretty easy to learn. First you need to start on your Zen rollover position. Then instead of catching the bite handle, you just let it spin and you catch the safe handle again. Then you just make 2 rollovers on your thumb, just like that. You can combine this trick with Helix or Blender or behind the 8-ball, and it looks awesome. So this is how it looks like. So good luck in learning it and have fun. See ya.